there, iPhone users! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Ever needed to factory reset your iPhone but got stuck because you didn't have the Apple ID password? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll reveal the best methods to reset your iPhone without an Apple ID password. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Why factory reset iPhone without password? There are several reasons you might need to factory reset your iPhone without a password. Maybe you forgot your Apple ID password, or your iPhone is disabled after too many failed attempts. You might have bought a second-hand iPhone and don't have the password, or your device is facing software issues and needs a fresh start. Whatever the reason, we have solutions for you. Safest method: factory reset iPhone without password iTunes iCloud. Passixer is a powerful iOS unlocking tool that makes the process super simple. It allows you to bypass iCloud passwords and find my iPhone. It works with all iOS versions, removes old Apple IDs, and even wipes passcodes on unresponsive screens. To use Passixer, simply download and install the software from the official website. Once installed, open the application and select Remove Apple ID. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to keep your iPhone connected during the entire process. Once completed, your iPhone will restart, and you can set it up as new without needing the previous Apple ID. How to factory reset iPhone without password using free methods. Method 1. Factory reset iPhone without password and computer via recovery mode. If you don't have your Apple ID password, you can reset your iPhone using recovery mode. First, turn off your iPhone and connect it to a computer while pressing specific buttons based on your model. For iPhone X, iPhone 8, and newer models, press and hold the side button while connecting. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold the volume down button instead. If you have an iPhone 6S, SE, first gen, or an older model, hold the home button while connecting. Once your device enters recovery mode, open Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC. You'll see an option to restore and update. Click on it and wait for the process to complete. Once done, your iPhone will restart, and you can set it up as new. Method 2. Factory reset iPhone without password in iTunes via iCloud website. If Find My iPhone is enabled, you can reset your iPhone remotely via iCloud. To do this, go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Once logged in, click on Find iPhone, then select all devices at the top. Choose your iPhone from the list and click Erase iPhone. Confirm the action, and your device will begin erasing. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will restart like a brand new device. Method 3. Erasing from the lock screen for iOS 15.2 and later. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, you can reset it directly from the lock screen. Simply enter the wrong passcode multiple times until you see a message saying iPhone unavailable or security lockout. At the bottom, you'll see an option that says Erase iPhone. Tap on it and confirm by selecting Erase all content and settings. Finally, enter your Apple ID password and your iPhone will begin the reset process. And that's it! Now you know how to factory reset your iPhone without an Apple ID password. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for our next video and we'll see you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us.